Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the Leetcode problem number 1980. Find a unique binary string. So in this question, we'll be given an array of string nums containing an unique binary string of length n, and we have to return a binary string of length n so that that string doesn't appear in nums, right? With length n, the possible number of binary string is to the power n minus 1. So here we can have multiple answer, right? So here we have to return only one of them. So let's look into the constraint as well. So if you see, the length of the string can go up to 16, right? And as this is binary number, so this is contains 0 and 1. Let's take a look into the approach, how we're going to solve this problem. To understand the process, right? So let's take example here. So I have taken example of length 3. So in the given array, we are given like 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, right? So this is kind of like backtracking problem. So here, what we're going to do is like for each and every position, we are going to add 0 or 1, and after putting like n character to the string, we're going to check like whether the string is present in the array or not. So if it is present, we are returning the string, else like we're backtrack and repeat. So for this example, so let's look in the first iteration. First, we are going to add 0. Again, like we're going to add 0, and after that again 0. So after completion of this adding 3 characters, right? So now we're going to check whether 000 is present in the array or not. So here it's present. So now we're going to backtrack, and in the last index we are going to add 1. So whether it's present or not, yes, 001 is present. So then we are going to backtrack again, and in the first index we are going to add 1, and in the second index we are going to add 0. So now the number became 0 0 whether the number is present or not, it's not present. So this is the result. So during this backtracking process, the number of uh, string we generated is n plus 1 because n string is already given. So the worst case scenario, so we're going to generate n plus 1 string. Each and every string contains n characters. So total we are generating n square plus n characters here. So this is the time complexity for the solution. And space complexity, you can see this is the heap of the backtracking, right? So that is O of n. So can we do better? Yes, we can do better. So we can solve this problem in greedy approach as well. So why greedy approach will work here? Because with length and right, so there is 2 to the power n minus 1 strings possible, right? So you can say that for each and every position, right, there is two possible character, either 0 and 1, right? So it's not able to cover everything in n string, right? So that's why this greedy approach will work here. Uh, so in the greedy approach, what we're going to do here is basically for each index I, right? We're going to pick the string at index I in the nums array, and from the string, we're going to pick the ith bit, and we are inverted that bit and going to use in the output string. So let's understand the approach in through example. So in the first example, we have 0 1 1 and 0 0 1, right? So in the output string, we're going to have like 3 bits, right? So from the first string, we're going to pick the first bit, and we're going to invert it. So we're going to get 0 here. From the second string, we're going to get the second bit, and for the third string we're going to get the third bit, and from each bit like we're inverted it in adding to the output bit. So here for this one, like we're going to get like 0 0 0 and 0 0 0. If you see, like that 0 0 is not in the given array, so that's the results. So you can say like we can add 0 0 as well. Okay, so let's add 0 0 to the in the next example. So right now we have 1 0 1 1 0 0 0. So again we are going to follow the same process. First bit from the first array, second bit from the second array, third bit from the third array. We are going to input those bits and get the output. So here the output is 0 0 1, and that is also not present in the given array, right? So that's a result. So let's take a look into the another example. So here I'm going to update 111 with the 0 0 1. So right now again, like, we are going to follow the same process. So if you see here, the output is 1 0 1, and this is not in the input array, right? So here you can say that this greedy approach can solve this problem. The time complexity of this approach is O of n, and space complexity is O of 1. So this is the Java implementation of the solution. So in this code, like, if you see, for each and every index I in the result, so I'm taking the string ith string from the array, and from the string I'm taking the ith bit and invert it and use it in the resultant array. And that's the greedy approach we had discussed earlier. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.